This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to efficiently access and prepare fiber optic cables. Hey there, Gareth here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of fiber optics with an exciting new toolkit. Say hello to the Fiber Optic Mid-Span Slit and Ring Toolkit, part number TK-108. If you're working in the fiber optic industry, you know the importance of precision, efficiency, and reliability. And that's exactly what we're delivering with our TK-108. And here's what's included. A total of 6 mid-span slit and ring tools with sizes ranging from 1.2 millimeters to 18.2 millimeters. Our patented and award-winning fiber optic drop cable slitter, perfect for FTTH techs working with flat fiber drop cables. The CSR 1575, perfect for slitting and ringing cables, buffer tubes, and jackets on fiber optic cables. And it all comes neatly organized in our rugged carrying case made from polyester material for high durability and a long life. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to efficiently access and prepare fiber optic cables. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the world of fiber optics, the TK-108 Fiber Optic Mid-Span Slit and Ring Toolkit from Jonard Tools is a must-have addition to your toolbox. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.